The next revolution will be digitized. 4ART Technologies, blockchain technology for art.
Another wonderful tool offered by the 4ARTapp is the discovery mode. It allows any user to look around their surroundings and identify previously registered artworks in their collection or artworks that are shared with them. To activate the discovery mode, we push the button over here, and then we have a choice between discovery mode and the VR gallery. So let's initiate the discovery mode.
The artwork Build 10 was created by Junior Toscanelli. The creation year is 2018.
And as you can tell, the system identified the artwork almost immediately, signified by the green square around it, and it produced the basic information, so the artist and the year it was created. A wonderful tool for gallerists and especially museums to share artwork information with visitors and other 4ARTapp users without a whole lot of additional work or hassle.